All right. So what have we done so far?
Uh,
So
we
much.
we do the turn left, interior, exterior. We do the turn where we and stop her, and then back in the other side, and turn, and back the other side. And
The
also,
basic steps,
the,
the three postures.
exactly. And something we gonna add is a little bit of sauce, extra sauce, is right now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Let's
Okay,
go.
we call it Minami. Okay, we're gonna show you how to do the Minami.
You hear?
Yes, and then you see, and she keep my hand right here. What I do, and I just turn on her hand in my hand, and then get back. And this one here, the actions. One, two, three action. I turn this, and
So doing one last time. He goes inside. It's like he's going around my hand. So go again. Inside. Important, ladies, let it go. Don't direct, don't finish it. Let go so that, because he could decide to do this. So that would be one. He goes inside. I stay relaxed because I don't know how it's going to finish. Oh, we're finishing here. Step two, he could use it to transfer from a compa posture to a collé serré, which means we're here, up, 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 and then, oh, he put my hands here. So that's why it's important to be relaxed. He could also be doing a main en main, finish his hand here to just add a little style. So it's musical. He's gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna slide my hand in his hand, for example. Let's do it again, that one last one. So we're here and up, and with the music, I slide my hand in his hand, for example. So it's important to stay relaxed.
yes.
So you'll see how to incorporate it a little later. So, compa, sometimes you move around. So it's not always on the spot. We're moving around. Earlier, with your marqué step, we were walking forward, stopping, and then walking backwards, for example. But we'll be adding cadencer. What is cadencer? If I go with my left, is right here, I'm doing my basic step. Cadencer is, with my left, I'm gonna go forward here, put the weight, come back here, and I'm back. So for example, if you're doing a cadencer front, front, and back. So we are doing the basic step, left, left, right, cadencer front, cadencer, back to basic step. Ta, ta, cadencer front, pa, ta, ta. So you're transferring your weight instead of left to right. Your left is gonna go in front, do your basic step again, but then come back here. Okay? You can do the same thing, but backwards. So you are left, right, left towards the back, and I come back here. Again, left, right, back, and I'm back. All together, cadencer back, back. Bum, bum. 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we put it all together, walking forward, cadencer front, walking backwards, cadencer back, and back to basic step.
Yes.
Together, so
And
basic step, with the left, right, forward. 1, 2, cadencer, backward. Cadencer, basic step. Again, front. 1, 2, 3, cadencer, backwards, cadencer, basic step.
Yes.
So drop your weight, come back. So this is used to change direction. Forward, cadencer, backward, cadencer. When you're doing the cadencer, so now we're doing backwards, you can put it all together. Meaning you cadencer front and back one after the other. We are doing basic step. If I go slow, cadencer front, cadencer back. Front, back. See, my right foot here is not moving, it's not changing, it's not going anywhere, it's staying there. It's the left, that is moving.
And also, it's very, very important. Also, we learn three move, okay? And the move is called Kdanser. When you heard Kdanser, is front, back, the same time, okay? Front and then back, okay? Now we have Kdanser front only, and we have Kdanser back only, okay? That means to show in one more time.
All together.
Oh, yes. And if I say Kdanser, the movement called Kdanser.
So it's back and front together.
Yes, then I'm back.
Okay. So the Kdanser front, front, you're back. Kdanser back, back, back. Kdanser front, back, front, back. Put it all together.
Yes.
We're gonna go forward, Kdanser. We're gonna put it all together without music for now. Okay? Basic step. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, front. Pam, pam, pam. Kdanser front. T-D-D. Back. Kdanser back. T-D-D. Marqué. Basic step. Now, just Kdanser. Kdanser, Kdanser, Kdanser.
Sorry.
Mix them up. Kdanser, Kdanser, Kdanser. Back to basic steps. Pop, 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 pop. So use the Kdanser to change direction everywhere. What else can we do? Can we stay just like that and just enjoy?
No, we can do it and turn. You can use the Kdanser.
No. Can we just do this?
Oh yes, we can do this.
Ah.
Yes, so for sure.
And can we just do this?
Yes, we can do this for sure.
We're not going to call that one because then we're going to mix you all up. So you can Kdanser front, Kdanser back, and just Kdanser. Then at some point you can just let's stay in front, or let's stay in the back before moving. Let's put it all together
Yes.
and without music.
Let's go.
Okay. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, walk forward. 1, 2, Kdanser front. Backwards, walk backwards. Kdanser back. Ooh. Basic step. Kdanser and forward, walk forward. Kdanser front. Kdanser back. Walking back. Kdanser back, but stay in the back. Bum, 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 bum. Move forward. Kdanser in front. Stay there. Back. What else can we do with Kdanser?
We can Kdanser front. We can go in front. We turn. We do it in 180. We can go in front. We use it to do it 360 also.
So you can use your Kdanser front before a turn.
Yes.
It creates a nice move.
Exactly. And with 1, 2, quarter turn, 1, 2, quarter turn, 1, 2, quarter turn, 1, 2, quarter turn.
And we're back. 1, 2.
Yeah,
because
1, 2.
1, 2, I don't understand what that means.
Okay. Oh, she doesn't speak English anymore. Okay. And also, it's very important. Okay, it's very, very important this move. Okay. When you do the Kdanser and this, when I'm doing this, and I bring back my left foot, and then I turn. I do this. I use my right foot to do the turn, and I get back here, and then so this ta 1 ta 1 2 ta 1 and I go back. Okay. One more time to explain it, not to put French on it. Okay, we're gonna try. And also, this is very important. Kdanser front. When I feel the Kdanser, and my left foot here, and at the same time I use the right here, and then ton, ta, ta.
So, Kdanser used to change direction. Walking forward, Kdanser, backward, Kdanser. You can Kdanser on the spot. You can cadencer just the front, you can cadencer just the back, and you can then cadencer front, do a little turn, and again, do a little turn.
That's good.
In connection, how does it look like? We are here, basic step. Go. We're walking. Cadencer. Forward. Cadencer. Again, walking. Cadencer. Forward. Cadencer here. And then you can cadencer simply. Pum 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 pum. After that last one, forward, walk forward. Cadencer, but stay there. On recommence.
Let's go.
So, how does it look in connection? We are in a konpa posture. We're gonna go basic step, marqué, walk forward. At some point, cadencer front, walk backwards, cadencer back, on the spot. And then you have cadencer. Back to your basic step. So the last little thing you can do is a cadencer before a turn. Like Sheila showed you. And turn. 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 And there you are. You have what you can do with cadencer. Let's talk about leading the cadencer and walking.
Okay. We're gonna talk about that. This is very important also. Sometimes guys we have that some guys they use when they lead a woman or a partner, they try to hold her tight. You don't have to hold your partner tight. Is it different holding somebody tight or give her directions? It is very important, okay? It's like, let's say an example, and let's say she come over to my house, okay? And I say, coming in. I'm not gonna grab her, just say coming in. No. And I can do this. I give her direction to coming in. You see the difference? Okay? I mean the same thing, and when you do this in compa, you lead very like smooth. Okay? If I do this, hold her tight, and I do this, you see?
Yeah, so what I feel is I feel pulled. So instead of, let's do it the wrong way. We're doing a basic step. We're walking forward. He's going to walk backwards. I'm going to feel this. I'm going to feel my torso this way. And you're going to feel the lady just being dragged. You don't want that.
Yes.
How to avoid it is giving room.
Yeah, you give her room. Put your couple posture. And also, when you put the torso, you don't drop your torso to her torso and then hold her tight. Okay, you just...
slight touch.
Slight,
normal.
yeah. En français, déposer. Just déposer, okay?
Drop softly.
Softly, very, very soft, okay? And then you lead her, you give her direction like this. You give her direction, okay? We go 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. Now I have the freedom to walk with him rather than being dragged. And ladies, don't be afraid to walk. What I mean is, he's like this. He's gonna start walking. Then I might be afraid and I'll be like, what's happening? You're losing your connection here. So now if he does a cadencer, you won't follow it because your connection is lost. You wanna keep that soft connection that he established. You wanna keep it at all times. So I'm keeping my connection. I'm walking with him. I'm not afraid. If he does the cadencer, I'm going to feel with the torso. Also, what a leader can do if the follower is learning the cadencer and not sure, he can give an extra signal by So when he's walking, he's gonna do the Kdanser. I'm gonna feel a little tightness in my back, tight to bring me with him, and then he releases. So from the back here, he's gonna walk backwards. I feel a little tight, I know something's gonna happen. Oh, we are Kdanser. And then he releases his tightness. Tight, release, tight, release. Yes?
Yes.
So we saw the main en main, and we saw what we can do with the Kdanser.
Let's go.
Let's put it on music.
We'll put in music.
Okay. Donc, basic step with your konpa. We're gonna put it all together. Walk forward. Kdanser. Walk backward. Kdanser. Kdanser. Then a turn. Basic step. The domain slow. 1, 2. Basic step. In. Walk backwards. Kdanser twice. Back, forward. Let's just Kdanser, coller. Oh, yes. Main en main. Before coller serré. Kdanser. Start your turns. So we said we're gonna put it all together. Open posture. Turn. Outside turn. Pass. Merengue.
Direct.
Hey love, how you doing? It's me. I know you really miss me, but you be acting like you don't really want to see me.
Enjoy your
Like
turn,
my kick
ladies.
me. Without you, where would I be? My brain is useless without a body. It's my apology. Isso eu fais não quero ferir. É pra bobo affected. Tá como é a peguei.
Turn.
Know you
And
got
then
my heart
reverse.
in your hands, so I'm going down like I was drowning in quicksand. Damn.
Coller serré.
It is something we're gonna do special, okay? I can turn also.
True. We forgot to talk about that. When he turns, ladies, stay on the spot. Go again. You can even do domea. Slow and go. Coller serré. Walk forwards and Kdanser. Do as you wish at home. Enjoy. Last one, Kdanser with the turn. N. On se direct. All right.
That's it.
That's
for
it,
today.
huh? Well, that's it only for the bass.
Yes.
From there, we have so much we can teach you, so much more. But how can they learn more?
Oh, they go to Danse Sélect Canada. Contact us also. We do for people and other places. And we can contact us on by email info@danseselect
.ca. The Instagram, Danse Sélect Canada, Facebook, Danse Sélect Canada. On the Facebook, there's a link. You can talk to us through WhatsApp if it's easier for you. You can send a messenger. You can book your class for privates. We do privates right now. We can do classes via Zoom. I know it's not the same, but it works well. Especially if you want to learn now, contact us and we'll be happy to show you, other than the bass, everything that you can do with that beautiful, beautiful dance called konpa.
Yes, and that's it. That's it.
Don't forget, please like, because we see views, but I want to see likes.